really a good feature. And for the price point, it's fantastic. I really like that quite a bit. And let's take a look at the night stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at another item that was sent to me by VIZIUUY. I was compensated to make this video and review what this is, and I've done a couple of them from this company. It's another little security camera. Has a lot of little features built into it. This one is not solar, just to be clear. This one here you plug in 24-hour power. We're just going to do a quick unboxing. My unboxing is super fast. I just get right to the product. It's 5 megapixel camera. It's a little bit better quality camera. Ultra HD, 24/7 recording. Because you're powering it into the outlet, you can have 24/7 recording. You never have to worry about battery power because you plug it in. It does have siren, of course, 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. That's new. That's really good. Okay, that's a big deal. Waterproof, two-way talking. It has auto tracking, which is very cool. I like that. That's another really good feature. A lot of people ask about that. And integrated spotlight. So that's what's in the box. Quick unboxing, boom, just like I told you. What's in the box? This is what's in the box. Again, small and compact. You do get the actual camera itself. Okay, it's got a big, take this off here. Got a big light. Take that off. So it's got a big light on it. So it's got a big light here, which is really kind of cool. It's got a camera. It's a PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom. That's what that stands for. These antennas are movable, just like you can see here. This is the way, this is small. Actually, it may look big, but it's actually fairly compact. There's a mounting bracket here that's all attached to the actual camera, so there's nothing to attach to you. They give you the screws included. The screws are included, the power bricks included, and a very long cable is also included. Instruction manual, and also mounting templates. So you can want to mount it to the wall or to the ceiling. Here are the templates and how to do that. So that's what that is for. So real easy. Again, the camera's cool. It's got the pan, tilt, zoom, which means you can, it'll zoom, it'll pan, it'll tilt, just like you see here, just like that. Again, these antennas are movable. Again, 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, which is a big deal, guys, really a big deal. So what's under the hood here? So again, this is not solar, just to let you know, this is powered by the power brick. Does have a speaker in the back here. That way you can have two-way communication, which is super important. That way if someone's trespassing or something, that way you can talk and say, what are you doing there? What do you want? Things like that. It has the auto tracking, like I said. And let's open this up here. Let me just show you. You can install a small, see that right there, small SD card inside here. So you can record actually on the actual device itself. And also has a reset button. So if you have any issues at all, hit that reset button and you'll get back into the game and reset the whole thing over again. Really easy, really simple to do. Cool, it's got noise detection, noise detect, so it'll pick up noise, which is that's something different. I've never seen that before, never heard of that. That's interesting. IP66 waterproof, has a cloud service available, and you can put a 128 gigabyte card in here if you want to, which is really important if you need to have a card storage. So 128 gigabyte, which is a lot. It uses a new technology for compression. They're using the H.265 compression ratio, which gives you 75% more space on the card. So you can hold a ton of data on 128 gigs, a lot. So that's really good to know as well. You can have that. Again, it has 360 view, whole thing. Really simple. Here is the power supply right here. The power supply gives you the screws and the anchors to install it, and also the cable. 12 feet. That's a lot of cable. So you can run this any way you want. 12 feet. Leave it plugged in 24/7. There's a waterproof connector. This just plugs into here like that. Super easy. You just tighten that down. You get the waterproof. You can plug this into if you have a USB power jack outside, or you can use the included power brick. All right, it's simple, easy to download the software. I already have it downloaded on my phone. And there's a QR code on the side here. I don't want to show you. There's a QR code. You scan that to pair it with the software. Really super simple. I mean, it's just really super simple. And then it comes right up on the screen. So it does use the Cloud Edge software or the Cloud Edge app. I have it already installed on my phone. It's really easy. All you have to do is hit the plus sign here, add device, really easy. It's actually already found it on my phone immediately. I already found it. I'll hit that. And now it's actually searching for it. It tells me what network I want to hook it up to, which I'll hook it up to my Wi-Fi network, put your password in, and then we'll get it all set up. Going through the connecting, you can see here it's turning around. It's connecting to the network. This thing just made a cuckoo sound, like a boop boop sound. You'll hear that, and then you know it's actually connecting. Takes a couple minutes. Next.
Put camera and phone at the place of camera installation. Press next to enter network diagnostic.
Okay. And there you go. So here is my hand. You can see here how fast that was. Super easy to set up, honestly. Really done. There it is. Strong Wi-Fi. Awesome. Perfect. Oh, you can hear the audio coming through that. Oh, turn that down. So you can see, so you can have the voice, you can see that. Let me just turn this around this way. So now you can really see. Here's my hand. You can see it's actually broadcasting. There's no delay. It's all 4K. There's pinch to zoom, which is really cool. You can turn the camera. So let's just set this up this way so we can just get an idea. Here is the PTZ. Very, very, very responsive. Wow. Very nice. Look at that. Quick. Very quick. Up and down. You can see that. Up and down. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I like that. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's check out some of the other features. Different cool stuff here. Here's a siren. Let's hear the siren. That siren. Got that off. Right, here's a light. Hit the light. You can see the light. Pretty bright. Pretty bright light. That's good. I like that. Shut that off. We got the audio warning and light strobe. Let's see what that's all about. Turn that on. Oh, okay. That's if you want it to go off automatically with a light strobe and a warning. Full color mode, one-click tour, just look all around the album where the photos and videos are all stored. You can take photos, you can take video, all kinds of cool stuff with this thing. It has night vision, just has a lot of stuff for a little camera. I have to tell you, for a little camera, it has a lot of stuff. I mean, you can just see, here's my hand, super clear. All right, so we're just going to set this up. We're going to set up, I'm going to set up in my basement because I want some security in my basement and I want to see what's going on there sometimes. So that's really dark. If I want it to be, I'll give you a good night vision shot. In daytime, we'll check the tracking and all that kind of stuff. So let's get to that as well. Like I said, it has auto motion traction, which I've never seen before. I've had other cameras, but this one is really cool. You can actually see it's actually moving around and following. My hand is following me around. It's just moving all around. It's just actually following me, which is really crazy. Very responsive and very quickly. So I like that. And to get into those settings, you just have to go into the app, under the Cloud Edge app, and just go under additional settings, and it's right over here. It's really easy to get to, and just as different things you can go to. Motion tracking on and off. So if you want that on or off, there's a ton of different features. So take your time. Dig into it, but honestly, all in all, just for this quick review, this is a nice little camera. I like that. I don't know if that feature is wicked awesome. I mean, I like that, especially when someone's walking by your house, it'll actually, follow them. So just in case you have any issues. And I think that's really a great feature. Let's turn this over here a little bit. Just see. Yeah, look at that. That is nuts. Actually nuts. Look at this. It's just tracking me around. I'm moving left to right. It's following me. You can see that I'm just turning this way, I turn that way. Thing is following me. That's very, very good. I like that. All right. It's like I said, it has tons and tons of features. Get into it. Take your time. Definitely recommend this. This is a nice small footprint camera. If you enjoy my content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do all types of reviews from how-to tech videos, information. My job is to give you all the information as much as possible so you can make an educated and smart decision when it comes to your home security or anything else with my channel. Over 1,000 videos on my channel, so if you enjoy this type of content and if I added some value and help to you, please let me know. Leave me a comment and a like. Also subscribe to the channel if you like this type of content. That really helps me out quite a bit, and I really do appreciate that. That's a really big thanks if you could do that for me. Also, there's a super thanks and also a Patreon page on my channel. Help anything I raise within my channel with the super thanks or whatever you or join my group. You definitely will help me out and help support my channel. If you do go ahead and want to purchase this item, there will be a link at the end of the video up here and also below the fold. I do get a small commission. This costs you nothing. Again, that's how I support my channel. I like to be fair and transparent, and I want you to know everything there is to know about when you make these kind of videos, what I do. So it's super important to be clear and super important to be transparent. My job is because I love what I do. I wanted to show you what they have. Again, this is a small footprint. You can see this is the size of my hand. This is pretty small. I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with the size of this and all that technology built into such a small package. That's pretty cool. I like that. All right, so I'm gonna get this set up in my basement. That's the one place I don't have a camera, which needs some security. And I think that's also a really good alternative for you guys. You can easily plug it into a power supply, a power source, and have some security in the basement. If you have kids playing, you can watch them. But that's why I love this. I mean, it's a great outside camera, but I think this could be a good use for that as well inside. If you want to monitor any garage, anything like that, you have long as the Wi-Fi reaches it, you'll be good to go. To show you here, I just have it set up on the ledge real quick, do some quick shots, show you how it looks like during the day. Works fantastic. It's got the automatic sensor. It is tracking, so it's kind of searching for somebody, so it notifies me, lets me know that I did get a notification on my phone, and it just searches, and once it locks onto the person, it just walks back and forth, as you see in the footage in a minute or two. I'll show you that. It just works fantastic. I love the auto tracking feature. So if someone comes up, it'll search, keep an eye on them until they walk out of the frame, and then that's how that works. So it's really nice quality, and I absolutely highly recommend something like this for home security. Okay, so I have some footage you can take a look at here. This is the actual live footage coming out of the camera. You can see the quality, really nice quality, the colors. In a few seconds, we're going to do some night shots in my basement. As you can see, the auto tracking just kind of catches me right away and just that's following me as I walk around. And that's really good about the auto tracking. I really like that. I'm watching it on my phone just to see how it responds. The Wi-Fi was a little spotty out here. That's why it could be a little jittery, but honestly, it's really decent quality. Again, everything looks really clean, really sharp. You can pinch to zoom, you can record, you can take photos, you can do so many things so easily with this app. I really like this app quite a bit. I've been using it for quite a while, and extremely happy. And I like that tracking. And it has the light goes on, you can talk to people. It's good, it just goes back and forth. And if you go out of frame, it'll actually search for you until it finds somebody again, or until somebody actually walks back into the frame. And you can just see how it's going back and forth, and it's following me, which I really like that. I think that's really a good feature. And for the price point, it's fantastic. I really like that quite a bit. And let's take a look at the night stuff. So I'm in my basement. It's totally dark right now. Black. You can't even see in front of you, and you can see the night vision just works amazing. It's almost like daylight. It's kind of weird. It just works fantastic. So you get that nice quality video. You can see it's really sharp and much better quality. The sensors they're using today are fantastic. Look at the quality of this imaging. It's almost like daylight. It's almost like a black and white, like a black and white video, but this is totally dark. So the night sensors are doing a fantastic job picking up everything. Also has the light. So when the light goes on, it'll colorize it and give you some color as well. So we have two different options available for this camera. So it really works really well. It responds very well with the app. You can see me walking there. You can see it's all black and white, but you can see the detail. You can see the quality of the video. Now that the light goes on, you can see how it turns to color. So you get that option. So you can do either way. It really works really well. So I highly recommend this camera. This is definitely for the money. Amazing. Again, you plug it in. This is not solar. You get 24-hour recording if you want to. You can get motion sensor. You can have it on motion. You can have 24-hour. You can do whatever you want. It's just fantastic. The quality of the video is great. You can see that. And so this is definitely a thumbs up for me. In my book, I love it, and I definitely highly recommend it. Thanks for watching this review, and hope you enjoyed it.